So I just thought I would give just an update of where things are right now on the outside. I'm going to zoom in a little bit because now the planters now have new plants in them. There's two square ones there. I've ordered another one so it can go down at the end. And there's a green pot down there. You probably can't see it from here. But then in the center are two gray pots. Those are actually going to hold peppermint bushes, peppermint plants. The plants are here. They're actually inside, but I need to drill holes in the bottom and then get the soil in them. And my hosta over here is doing real well. I need to take it from there. I need to split it either to put it in that one, which the one to the left is all weeds, and that all needs to come out. The hostas I would like to put into the ground over in the lovely little garden area. I really do like this garden area being right here and then having a nice area for people to park when they come to visit. And this is the grounds. I'm actually standing in front of the shed and looking around. There's just so many trees. I am not going to be under the sun, under shade, this summer, unfortunately. But what's really nice is that these trees over here in this area come about 5 o'clock in the afternoon in the summer. That's going to help hide the trailer and give it some shade. And then there is some wonderful trees there. They're not going to give any kind of shade to the trailer in the summer, but they look good. The reason that the trailer is sitting in the spot that it is, and there's been a couple of questions I've gotten on that. The biggest part is because of where the stairs needed to be, because I need to be able to pull up right next to them and just open my door and be able to get up those stairs. Excuse me. And those stairs are 4-inch treads. 4-inch risers with 11-inch treads. So they're very safe for me. And I needed to have that spot. Someone had asked, well, why didn't I park it in this area? Maybe I would have gotten a little bit more shade. I don't think I would have gotten that much more shade. But on the other hand, too, right behind the trailer is all the utilities. The water, the electric, the septic, and also my internet. So it didn't make sense to have it over in the parking lot here, because that would have just been a whole lot of trenching and having to move utilities. And I am renting this property. I don't own it. And so it didn't make sense. So this is a really good spot for it. I do want to take the propane tank area over here. There we go, that area. I'd like to cover it a little bit to help protect it from the sun during the summer months. And obviously I need the window shade on the exterior. It needs to come down. It's actually kind of crooked. I don't know how that happened. Excuse me. Something in my throat. But this is a little bit better view of the area, and the trees is just wonderful at night. We're coming into sunset here, and so just get to have a wonderful view. There's not a whole lot of lawn that needs to be done. There is some, and so the gal who I'm renting this property from did have somebody who could do it, and they did it very reasonably. He doesn't feel that I'll have to have it done like real often because there's not that much. He was even able to get into this area, which there's a lot of stumps and so on and so forth, but it looks really good. And so it's a beautiful day out today. It got up to 80 today. It's been cold. And what this means is that with my windows open, there's a wonderful breeze, so I don't have to use any electricity for heating the place or cooling it. It's just right. But it's looking real good, and it's going to be very, very comfortable. In a week or so, I'm going to be giving my 6-month update on the inside. So I hope that you like this. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that when I put in a new video, you can see it. But thank you very much for those of you who are subscribed, and I hope you all have a great day, and see you next time.